In this video, I'm going to show you some simple framework as to how you can literally double or triple your conversions by using a simple framework which you can implement in your landing page straight away. Hello, my name is Ozair and thanks for joining in. Now, most people increase their advertising budget to get more leads. Well, you can do that, but by working on this framework, you can increase your conversions and your conversion rate without increasing your ad spend on Google, Facebook, LinkedIn, or wherever you are running your ads. So let's hop onto this infographic and show you the framework and how easy and quick this is to make these changes so that you can get better results. So obviously, this is not my framework. Lots of marketeers use it and I use it too in our business. So there are three things to do. First is to optimize for clarity. The second thing is to engage and build trust. And the third thing is to convert with purpose. So let's dive deep into each one of these. First one is you've got to have a clear value proposition, what you're offering, what you are selling. So the visitor who has clicked on your ad and come onto your website must know within a few seconds as to what your value proposition is. So for that to happen, first thing you need to do is to make a really compelling headline, not a confusing one where people are confused as to what your offer is. This is really important because if they don't get your message within the first few seconds, they are going to bounce and go somewhere else because they got confused. So you got to remove this friction straight up in your headline and also in your subheadline as well. The next one is engage and build trust. So you got to use social proof and client testimonials, reviews. If you got 5-star reviews on Google My Business or Trustpilot, put those on your landing page. Address the customer pain points. What's in it for them? So don't just put in your features about how brilliant your offer, your product, or your business is. You need to put in what it's in it for them. What are the benefits for your audience? That is the key point which I often see missing from these landing pages. And the third thing is high quality visuals. So don't skimp on photos and videos by doing it the cheap way. Invest in professional quality photography and videos, and you'll be able to build trust very easily and quickly. So I use video ads, video marketing organically to promote my business, myself, my brand, to build trust. Video is one of the quickest, cheapest, and the fastest way to build trust. And I would highly recommend that you too create a video like this, put it on your landing page to explain who you are, what you do, and how your business or your product service can help the potential visitor. So having your hero shots, we call it, is really important to have on your website. The third thing is convert with purpose. So strong, specific call to action. Don't feel shy about it. You got to tell them what you want them to do. Do you want them to click something, fill in a form, watch a video, click a button? If you don't tell them, it won't happen. If you got a form on your website, don't make a really long form. And think of your mobile traffic from your mobile phone. Most people will come to your website or your landing pages on their phones. How annoying it is when the form is like filling in a mortgage application form. Simplify your form. I tend to keep it as first name, email, and maybe a phone number. But if you need more information, then use a jot form where you have one question at a time instead of presenting 10 questions at the same time. The page looks really ugly as well. And as soon as somebody looks at that long form, they're going to bounce off because they're going to say, can't be bothered to fill in such a form. And when somebody does fill in a form to get your lead magnet, for example, a ebook, a cheat sheet, or whatever, offer them immediate value. So if you are offering a lead magnet, like a cheat sheet, ebook, a video course, send them up immediately with email marketing automation. So don't do it manually, because if you're out and about and you get a lead and they have to wait 5 hours to get that lead, they're gone. They'll go to somewhere else. So something like MailChimp or any other email marketing automation will help you solve this problem. So this is my 3-step framework to increase or literally triple up your uh, conversion rates. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll truly appreciate if you can give it a little thumbs up, like, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.